Meaning of enthusiast.
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 Enthusiast. The word enthusiast refers to a person who is highly interested and passionate about a particular subject or activity. Enthusiasts typically devote a significant amount of time and energy to their chosen pursuit, and may be highly knowledgeable and skilled in that area. They may also feel a strong emotional connection to their interest, finding excitement, joy, and fulfillment through their engagement with it. Being an enthusiast can bring a great sense of purpose and satisfaction to one's life, and being among other enthusiasts can foster a sense of camaraderie and mutual support.